Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
But I got a little sense, but I had to go coop no brain. I ain't worried about you. I'ma do what I do and I do my thing.
Today we're going to be up close and personal, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I arch my eyebrows by myself. No going to the nail salon or eyebrow place to get my eyebrows done, just at home, and how I fill them in using an eyebrow pencil and concealer and all that. The basics that you need are just tweezers, and you're gonna need an eyebrow pencil. I just use $1 eyebrow pencil from Walgreens. I think they cost around $1 and some change, but as you can see, I'm running out, but they last a long time. It's optional, but I like to make my eyebrows look finished off. So what I do is I go in with concealer and a concealer brush to, you know, make my eyebrows look better. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna tweeze the eyebrows. I'm going to show you guys how to naturally go along with your eyebrows so that you don't pluck too much or too less, because I've been there. I mean, too much or too little. I've been there where I haven't plucked enough eyebrow hair, but then I've been there where I plucked too much. What you want to do is just basically see where your arch is. If you haven't done this before, it's going to be harder, or if you've never gotten your eyebrows done, it's going to be harder to do. So when plucking your eyebrows, it's really all about preference, how high, how thin you want your arch. It takes time. If this is your first time plucking your eyebrows, it takes time to get to know what type of look you like. This is what they're looking like. If they are too thin for you, then make yours thicker. It's just my preference to have them like this. I just like the higher, skinnier look. I'm gonna go in with our mini pencil and our mini brush that we have. What to do to get the best results is you have to sharpen your pencil. I'll tell you guys what I'm gonna do before I start doing my eyebrow, because most likely if I'm talking while I'm doing it, I'm gonna mess it up. So basically, first what I like to do is start on the middle and work my way down, and then I fill in the fronts, and then I go in with this and blend the fronts out, and that's pretty much it. It's like nothing too extraordinary. It doesn't take me more than 5 minutes to do my eyebrows all together. And if you mess it up, you can just wipe it off. And I kind of go like this so I can see the top of my brow better. If you look at a lot of, no shade, but if you look at a lot of females, you'll see that they have a dent and then their eyebrow kind of curves. I'll insert a picture if I can find one, but that's from not being able to see the top of their brow. Now for my other eyebrow, I don't know why I do my two eyebrows different. Probably because they look different. If you can't tell, they're two different eyebrows. But I start with the outside because I have more hair in the front on this eyebrow. So I start here because it's easiest for me, and then I work my way out. Okay, so now that our eyebrows are filled in, I go in with our concealer. I just use the Age Rewind concealer. And I'm trying to find my brush. Now I use two different brushes. This one to draw the concealer on with, and this one to blend out the concealer underneath my eyes. Concealer on my brush. And if I feel the need to, I'll go back in with my eyebrow pencil and fill in any spaces that I notice, like the end is not as dark as I want it to be. Alright, so that was the end of this video. If you got any good tips or enjoyed watching me do my eyebrows, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and also let me know which videos you would like to see from me next. Thank you guys for 800 subscribers. So peace.
Yeah, I bust down, Tatiana. Yeah, I wanna see you bust down. Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up, now break that shit down. Break it down. Speed it up, then slow that shit down on the gang. Slow it down. Bust it, bust down, bust it, bust it, bust down on the gang.